Do you ever feel exhausted even after sleeping? But it's not your body that feels heavy, it's your mind that is mental fatigue, and it can silently steal your focus, mood, and motivation. In the next 10 minutes, I'll show you the most common signs your mind is tired, why it happens, and simple things you can do today to feel mentally lighter. Stay till the end because I'll share a quick 2-minute reset routine you can do anywhere. What a tired mind really means. A tired mind usually means your brain has been under continuous load to many decisions, too much screen time to many worries, or not enough recovery. It can happen even when your body looks fine. Stress and poor recovery can affect attention, sleep quality, mood, and even physical health over time, which is why mental tiredness matters and shouldn't be ignored. Sign 1. Your focus breaks easily. You read the same line again and again and still don't absorb it. You open your phone for one thing and forget what you came for. Small distractions feel irresistible. Mental fatigue often shows up as reduced concentration and slower thinking speed, especially when you're overloaded or not sleeping well. Sign 2. Simple decisions feel hard when your mind is tired. Even normal choices, what to eat, what to wear, what to start first, feel heavy. This is often called decision fatigue, and it can make you procrastinate or shut down. Relatable line: it's not laziness, it's your brain asking for a break. Sign 3. You feel irritable or emotionally sensitive. You get annoyed faster than usual. Small comments feel personal. You feel like crying, snapping, or withdrawing. Mental tiredness can reduce your emotional buffer, so your reactions become stronger even when the situation is small. Stress management and recovery practices are strongly linked with better mental well-being. Sign 4. Sleep doesn't refresh you. A tired mind often creates a frustrating cycle. You feel exhausted all day. At night your thoughts race, so sleep becomes lighter. You wake up still tired and foggy. Sleep and mental health influence each other, and when stress stays high, sleep quality can drop even if you spend enough hours in bed. Sign 5. Brain fog, forgetfulness, and slower thinking. You forget names, passwords, or what you were about to do. You feel mentally cloudy. You struggle to speak smoothly or find words. This can happen when you're overworked, stressed, dehydrated, or sleeping poorly. If it's persistent or worsening, it's a sign to take it seriously and consider professional advice. Sign 6. Loss of motivation and nothing feels fun. Mental fatigue often steals pleasure. Things you normally enjoy start feeling like effort. You may delay workouts, avoid friends, or lose excitement for goals. If low mood, hopelessness, or loss of interest lasts most days for 2 weeks or more, it can signal depression and deserves professional support. Sign 7. You rely on stimulants or constant scrolling. More caffeine just to feel normal, more sugar, cravings for quick energy, endless scrolling because it's easy when your mind is tired. It seeks quick dopamine and quick energy, but that often increases crashes and keeps the fatigue cycle going. Common causes include chronic stress and non-stop responsibilities. Lack of physical activity. Movement supports mental health. Poor sleep schedule or late night screens. Too much multitasking and information overload. Not enough recovery time, nature time, or social support. The 2-minute mental reset. Share this as a practical mini routine viewers can do immediately. Sit tall, unclench jaw. Relax shoulders. Inhale slowly through the nose for 4 seconds. Hold for 2 seconds. Exhale gently for 6 seconds. Repeat for 6 rounds, about 2 minutes. If this video helped you recognize the signs of a tired mind, support the channel, like this video, share it with someone who needs a mental reset. Follow for more wellness content, and subscribe so you don't miss the next video. Like, share, follow, and subscribe, and take care of your mind because you deserve peace.